A new nation was being born, and it was a time that tried men's souls. In New England, the authority of the mother country was being challenged at every turn. Lexington and Concord, Bunker Hill, Fort Griswold, and attempts to build a submarine. In the mid-Atlantic states, Ethan Allen captured Ticonderoga. Saratoga was a victory. A chain was extended across the Hudson to stop British ships. Cannon were being forged at the Cornwall furnace. The Declaration of Independence had been signed at Liberty Hall, while battles were being fought over the rolling plains of New Jersey and Pennsylvania, and there was a place called Valley Forge. In the South, palmetto logs withstood a bombardment on Sullivan's Island, and Sergeant Jasper emerged a hero. Powder was stored in Charleston. There was Kings Mountain, Cowpens, and Guilford Courthouse, and the world turned upside down when the British surrendered at Yorktown. The Purple Heart was created for heroic acts by George Washington, Commander-in-Chief of the Continental Army. In this new motion picture for the Bicentennial Council of the 13 original states, you'll see how people lived, the problems they faced, the sacrifices they made, the places they built, and what they look like today. The trials and triumphs of desperate times are brought to life in the Bicentennial Grand Tour, These States. These States, a blend of the new and the old, a portrait of the American experience.